Good morning. We are from Team Senscape and we're excited to present our project, a web-based perfume buying and selling platform. This project was guided by Ms. Yeni Rohayati, SSI MSc. I'm Putri together with Iren and Anggi. Let's start with the problem that's inspired this application. We identified three major issues in current online perfume market. The first one is too hard for buyer to choose perfume without being able to smell it. The second is the options are overwhelming and there is no clean filtering by scent or category. The last one is small seller lack tools to promote and manage their product. They don't have dashboard or proper system. These are real gaps in the current online perfume market, so we review existing platform to see if they solve this problem. Platform like Fragrantica only focus on views and scent information. They don't support transaction, and meanwhile, local seller mostly use static website and WhatsApp. They don't have dashboard, checkout system, and they don't support mobile-friendly layouts. This gap motivates us to design more focused and complete solution, and that's how Senscape was born. Senscape is a web-based platform that helps buyers discover perfume digitally and gives small sellers a structured way to promote and manage their product. It brings together three key features. The first one is product filtering. It's to help users narrow choice by scent, gender, or category. The second is scent guide pop-up. It's to help buyers imagine fragrance digitally. And the last one is seller dashboard. It's to manage stock and track their sales performance. All of this wrapped in a lightweight, mobile-friendly interface. Now let's take a closer look at these features.
Okay, now that we know main problems faced by parfum buyers and small sellers, let's see how Senscape solve them through its features. For buyers who can smell parfum online, we have the scan grid. It helps them imagine their fragrance using simple description. To help buyers choose faster, we offer the product filter. They can filter parfum by scan, gender, and volume. For small sellers, we provide the dashboard and seller summary. It helps them manage product, track sellers, and check stock easily. Now, let's see how we designed this feature into our system. This diagram shows how users interact with Senscape. At the top, buyers can register, browse product, order, and pay. At the bottom, sellers can manage product, confirm orders, handle payment, and see reports. This ensures that every user action has a clear process in the system. Next, database design. After identifying the system actor and their activities in our use case diagram, we designed the entity relationship diagram or ERD to represent the data structure behind our features. User information is stored in a central user table that links the either buyer or sellers. Parfum detail like type, volume, and scan are managed in the feature table. Every purchase is stored in transaction with detailed item recorded in transaction detail. This ERD helps us prepare a clean, scalable structure which we then implement in Laravel using MySQL. Next, tools and technology. To buy Senscape, we use simple but powerful technology. Laravel for the backend, MySQL for the data, Tailwind CSS for the interface, Alvin.js for dropdowns, and SweetAlert for pop-ups. Now, We will show a short demo of how Scanscape works from both the buyer and seller perspective. This is the buyer homepage. Users can explore Parpum with filters like skin, gender, and type. Here the users click on a product to see in details, including after choosing a volume, the user add to the chart. They then open the chart to review the order and process to check out. On the checkout page, the user confirm the shipping details and submit payment. Okay, once done, the order appears in the order history, complete with status updates. Next, we switch to the seller dashboard. The seller navigates to the order page to see incoming orders. They confirm the buyer order status. For the example, marking it as shipped, this helps keep both sides updated. Lastly, the seller opened the seller summary to view total revenue to product performance. With this, we have completed the full flow from buyer action to seller management.
After completing the development of Scanscape, we proceeded to the testing phase to ensure that all features work according to user expectation. We applied the black box testing method, and this method does not look into the source code. Instead, it focuses on inputs and outputs, so the system from the user's point of view. And why we choose this method? Because it's easy to implement, suitable for teams with mixed technical backgrounds, and the more importantly, it helps verify whether each functional requirement is working correctly. And while black box testing can detect internal logic issue or evaluate performance technically, it's highly effective for validating what the user actually experiences. Next, we tested 19 core features based on FRs, such as registration, login for both buyers and sellers, product management, cart, checkout, and logout. Each feature was tested by providing real user input and checking if the output matched the expected results. All features passed the test, meaning the application is not only fulfills the functional requirement, but also covers some key non-functional requirements like clean user interface and easy navigation. All of this was only possible because of teamwork. Putri handled project planning and as full-stack development, Masito developer buy-side features like registration, login, checkout, order history, and worked as a full-stack developer, and Iran handled seller-side features including product management, orders, and sellers recap, also a full-stack developer. That was our team's role. Now to end this presentation, here's what we have learned from this project. Through this project, we have applied the full stage of system analysis and design, starting from identifying problems, designing system requirements, implementing features, and testing them based on functional goals. Scanscape became our case study to understand how real-world problems can be solved through structured planning and teamwork. Thank you for your time and attention.